Hello, my name is Dylan Savage of Worth Law Office, and I practice primarily in the Oklahoma City, Oklahoma area. Today we're going to be discussing injuries to timber and the criminal liability that individuals can face for causing those injuries. Specifically, we're going to be talking about timber damages to private property and not property found to be in the possession of the state of Oklahoma. So in the event that an individual intentionally, willfully, maliciously, or unlawfully enters upon your land and causes damage exceeding $200, they can be found guilty of a felony. And the damages, the fine that they can actually receive from this crime is quite an amount. They can be forced to pay a fine up to $10,000 and spend up to 5 years in jail or both. Now, if they do the same act, but they only cause damage or take an amount of timber that is worth less than $200, they are likely going to be convicted of a misdemeanor. And at that point, the fine can only go up to $1,000 and the jail time cannot exceed 30 days. Of course, they could have both of those penalties put against them. Now, for the owners of the property that have been damaged, a lot of the time in these criminal proceedings, the DA's office will in fact try to make you whole. So part of any plea deal that may happen that you would be kept up to date and aware of would involve you being made whole for the damage to your property. So that is something to keep an eye out if you have been damaged and the individual that has caused that damage was caught and is actually going through criminal proceedings. If you found this video to be helpful or you believe it could help someone else, please go to theoklahomacityattorney.com. My name is Dylan Savage, and thank you for watching.